So I'm going to take this clock apart and clean it. And it's the clock that's got the little dancers on top, made by the Cuckoo Clock Manufacturing Company. And so let's get started. Because I'm going to clean it, I want to take the bird off and put them in my parts bucket. I'm going to take the dancers off and put them in my parts bucket. Now these dancers just they drop onto the gear that makes them spin. So it just free fall. So they should be easily put back together. There's no adjustments. They just free fall like that. And so I'm going to start taking the front parts off. Take the clips out for the rack. Put it in my parts bucket. And like I said, this is the first time I'm working on a clock like this. So I took plenty of pictures already. So whenever you work on a clock brand new, you want to take plenty of pictures. That way you know, and a video helps also. That way you know how to put the thing back together. Because there's a lot of parts on this clock that you can really mess up. And so taking pictures would help out. Getting to know your clock would help out. Now this gear here, this clutch, just held in place by this screw. And I had to get a bigger screwdriver to take out the screw. And so now I got the gear out. The governor fan out. And it came with a washer and a screw. I took it out. Well, this particular clock, the high note lever, which is the longer lever, it's on top, and the low note lever, it's on the bottom. I didn't get any bellows with this clock, so I'll have to come up with some bellows. And I didn't get a pendulum or weights, but I got the clock for a pretty good deal, so I ain't gonna complain. I wanted a clock like this, and so sometimes you gotta pay a little extra to get what you want. Now this clock also has got a clutch on the burge assembly where you can hold the burge and crutch assembly, where you can hold the burge down and move the crutch back and forth because it has a clutch on it. This way it's not going to break on you. I like the clocks like that. Most cuckoo clocks you have to bend in this area right here, but this one, because they have a clutch on it, you can adjust it all day long and you're not going to break it. This cam here, it's got a screw underneath it, so I'm going to go ahead and take that cam off. This clock is very oily, and that's one of the reasons why I want to clean it, because the oil, too much oil is bad for a clock. It attracts junk, dirt, grime, hair, and so that's why I wanted to oil it. Clean it. And so I think I'm going to loosen these bolts. Sorry, these nuts. And see if I can take the plates off. And hopefully, when I take the plates off, the gears will stay in place so I can get a video of it. Before it all comes apart. Not quite done. There's more parts I gotta take apart. I had to take this some kind of screw that was on here off. And so now it should come apart. I don't need to take this off, but I'm going to anyway. So it comes apart for me. Because I wanted to be able to take some pictures and video of where all these parts are. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And you can see all the grime and oil that's all over this plate. Too much oil is bad for your clocks.